Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this eyeliner pencil from the brand MAC, and this is their In Extreme Dimension 24-hour Kajal eyeliner, and this is for 675 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is around 0.8 grams. I recently got this from Nykaa. I saw this and I was really attracted to try this out, and I love Kajal pencils, and when I saw the packaging of the Kajal pencil on the website I was really excited. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a beautiful pink color cardboard packaging like this with all the details printed on the box, and this is how the pencil looks like. It comes in a beautiful pink and black combination and with the cap, and this is how the pencil looks like. And this I'm gonna try it for the first time in front of you guys because I just got it today, and I just wanted to do a quick video about this pencil. I just wanted to talk how it is. Basically, this is a first impression video about this product, and I'm really excited to try this. So let me try it out how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So this is how the hand swatch looks like. It's pretty creamy in texture, and it gives you a proper black color and with a matte finish. It's proper dark black, and it gives you a proper matte finish. So let me apply it on my eye. So you can see my eyes have started watering after when I was applying, it got touched to my eye, and it started watering. So about the application, it's easy to apply actually, but if it get my eyes are pretty sensitive and I have pretty watery eyes, and my waterline is pretty oily, so while applying this kajal pencil on my eye waterline, I was finding it a little difficult because almost 5 to 6 times I had to apply this, and still it's not looking that clear. So I don't know how it's gonna work like. And here you can see, oh, here it's not getting smudged. That's really good, but I have a pretty oily waterline and watery eye, so maybe because of that it's looking like that. Otherwise I think after the application hardly 2 minutes, and you can see it's not getting smudged at all. It's not getting smudged at all. So I am okay with this eyeliner as of now. I don't know whether it's gonna, it says it's gonna, it's for 20, it says it's 24-hour kajal eyeliner. Okay, the brand claims that this is waterproof, safe for waterlines, intense color payoff. So it is really, it didn't smudge at all on my hand at least, and here it got little smudged while applying it, so I have to let it set for a few minutes and then see how it works on. So otherwise I'm really happy with this eye kajal pencil. So as of now I'm really happy because I am really happy it didn't come out from my hand, it didn't smudge, it didn't fade. But when I applied on my waterline, it was little irritating to my eyes, and waterline is little oily, so any kajal, it takes some time for it to set. And I've tried many eyeliners and many of them don't stay because I have pretty oily eye waterline. So I'm not expecting that much, I'm not expecting too much from this product, but as of now I'm really happy, and this is how it's looking on my eyes. And so I'll wear it for some time and see how long it stays, and I'll come back with the update. It's been few hours now I've been wearing this kajal, and I still think that it didn't smudge and it didn't fade also. So I'm really happy with this eyeliner as of now because it didn't fade or smudge a lot, and it's been almost 4 to 5 hours I'm wearing this kajal pencil, and on the hand also you can see it's still there. So I'm really impressed with this kajal pencil as of now. It's been only 4 to 5 hours. I know I have not tested it for 24 hours, but as of now for 4 to 5 hours it really stayed on my oily waterline, which is really good, and I'm definitely sure that it's gonna stay on normal waterline for more than 10-15 hours. Because for me usually eyeliner doesn't stay for more than 3 to 4 hours, even if it's expensive one, even if it's really of good quality or good brand, whatever it is. For me, I know my waterline, whatever eyeliner I put, it doesn't stay for more than 4 to 5 hours, but this one did a good job at least till now, and I'm really impressed, and definitely gonna buy this again. And if you ask me honestly, I definitely recommend this MAC eye kajal liner to you guys, and you can give it a try. It's for 675 rupees, not that expensive. You can give it a try. Packaging is really cute. so it gives you a really good color payoff. And so this was a review of MAC in Extreme Dimension 24-hour Kajal eyeliner. So I hope you like the review, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.